Hey everyone, it's Fudenosuke here, and I am here filming for my next weekly setup, which is the week of Monday the 14th through the 20th of January. So as of filming this, I still don't really know what's going on concerning my job, so I can't really set up with the intention of having this split with work and business and all that kind of stuff. And to be honest, I've been a little unmotivated to work in my bullet journal while I haven't been working. So hopefully I'm just going to go with a very simple layout and it'll work for me this week. And hopefully by the time you guys are seeing this, I am working. Probably not, but we'll see. So I'm going to go ahead, speed you through, and see you on the other side. All right, so that's it. I don't really have much going on this week that I know of, again, because I am still furloughed, so I don't really know if I'm back to work or not. So I did a really simple horizontal. I used some washi tape from Simply Gilded. I used this, it's kind of like a robin's egg type color, and then I used this really light blue with the holographic. So those are both from Simply Gilded. Each of these spaces is 11 with an extra space on top, which I'm just going to add a little bit more washi to that top so it looks a little bit more balanced, because the top box looks a little too long. All right, that's a little bit better. So I hope this setup looks interesting to you guys. I know it's really simple. Again, I just really don't know what's going on, so I don't want to overdo it. If I need more space or anything like that, I can always just have like a big long running task list for whenever I do get back to work. So I'm not too worried about having that on my daily spaces, so to speak. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, all that kind of jazz, and I will see you later. Bye everyone.